Separate the trash, let the planet flash. Green and clean in a single dash. Greetings to everyone, I am Gitanshi Kanpal here, and today I will be performing an activity which is categorizing waste or segregation of waste. So let me introduce you all with the categories I have today, which are like construction demolition waste, electrical waste, agriculture waste and dry recyclable waste. And here I have collected some waste which are generally found around the house. So let's start categorizing. Firstly, I have this discarded hot glue gun which is of no use. So obviously it is an electrical waste, electrical equipment. And then these normal use pens which we get after like using them. So it's a dry recyclable waste. Then I have these newspapers and food wrapping papers. So it's dry recyclable. Now I have these discarded earphones we have, which is now old and also discarded, which is end of its life. And then we have these cable which is of like discarded and dead batteries also, so it's considered as electric waste. And then we have these papers of like plastic papers, it's in dry and recyclable waste. Rest I have these dry leaves which I get from the surrounding gardens and trees which falls during the season, so it's an agriculture waste. Next up, these piece of concrete plaster which is during the renovation and demolition of walls, so obviously construction. And next up, cardboard, it's also and dry recycled waste. And these metal also and dry recyclable as it can be recycled. Next up, I have these tiles pieces which are discarded during the construction and renovation of house. And then I have these dead cells, so obviously electrical waste. And then I have these some peels of vegetables which are agriculture waste for sure. And now I have again these like dead leaves from the garden and like small plant trees we have, so agriculture waste again. Then I have some like pebbles and stones around my house, so it's a kind of construction demolition waste. And this discarded cable which is of no use because of its loose and like a destroyed cable, so it's an electrical waste. Then these sharpens of pencils that we got from like pencils, so it's in dry recycled waste. Then I have the chaff of like crops we have around, so obviously it's an agriculture waste, so it's in it. And finally we have segregated all the waste items we have collected today. So activity was like to make you understand like waste are of different types, and if you want to reuse them, so we have to send them to different places according to their respective types. So I hope it helps, and this was all for this activity. Thank you so much for watching.